everybody, I'm here in the open. Can you see this? How beautiful the air is, super breeze. And yeah, it's so beautiful over here. So I want to tell you something very important, that you all are sitting in front of your PCs, in front of your computers all the day. Throughout your day, you're just sitting. So, what about your health? You think by sitting at home you will be doing all right and it won't affect your health. So, let me tell you something about yourself, that you are made up of 5 elements. So, by sitting at home, your all the elements are getting just weak, they are getting imbalanced. So, what you can do to balance out your 5 elements? You just have to step out of your houses, come to some place which is open like this. I'm just here to some place which is really open. There is good air, there is sunlight. Right now it's little foggy over here. There is sunlight, there is earth, and there is sky, the beautiful sky. Yeah, the beautiful sky. So everything is here. I will also tell you about water, how you can balance out that. So one by one, let me tell you how you can balance out your elements, all the 5 elements. So let's start from the earth element. How you can balance out your earth element? To balance your earth element, you can walk barefoot on the ground or on the grass which has soil, mud. You can take mud bath if it is possible for you. Else you can go to some park. You can just lie down on the ground, just sleep on the ground. Connect with the earth, and the earth is going to balance out earth element in you. Okay, so let's come to water element. How you can balance out your water element? To balance out your water element, you can just stand under the shower and take a shower bath, a good shower bath. Connect with the water. That's really important. When you are on the earth, you're walking on the earth, you connect with earth. When you are underwater, you connect with water. So shower bath is the best to balance your water element. Okay, so the third one is your fire, Agni. How you can balance out your Agni? To balance out your Agni element, your fire element, you can just simply light up a diya, a candle, okay, and you can sit by the side of that fire for 10 to 15 minutes. Just look into the fire, connect with that, feel that the fire is there, feel that fire in you, feel that fire in your nabhi, in your navel, and that fire is going to balance out your fire element. So this is how you balance out your fire element. Let's come to air element. How you can balance out air element? So can you see my hair all just floating? Such a good breeze. So come to the open area. My car is there. So come to the open area like this. It's breeze everywhere. So I'm just having fun, and I'm feeling the breeze on my skin, on my body, everywhere. Wear minimum clothes when you are going for a walk, when you want to have fire, when you want to increase air element in you. So just walk there, walk in the open space, go to some garden, feel the touch of the air on your body, and this is how your air element will improve so much. Okay, the remaining one is ether, the sky, space. So come under the space. See, it's a beautiful space over here. Come to some place So you get everything out there. You get everything out there. Come under the sky and feel it. Watch the sky. Watch the stars. Connect with the space element. Go walk. This is how you balance out your elements. This is how you just get rid of all the diseases. So what is disease? It's just imbalances, imbalances of the all these elements, 5 elements. So basically you just go out. You go out and connect with the 5 elements. It's so easy, it's so simple. So those who are telling you that sit at home and this is how you're going to protect yourself, no. You are killing yourself. You are killing your family. Understand that you need to maintain all these elements in you, because you are made up of these elements. So just go out, feel the breeze, feel the beauty of this world. Beauty is everywhere. It is everywhere. These elements are magical. Just balance them out. So it is everywhere. It's so easy to obtain and maintain these 5 elements in you. So why don't you go out? Live a free life. Go out and maintain these 5 elements in you, and you won't be getting any diseases. Trust me. Go out. Move out of your houses. Take care. I love you all so much.